Okay, so Hermione Way here from Tech Fluff TV. I'm here with the iPhone rockstar. Whoa! All the way from New York, USA.
Alex Cohn, here from New York, USA, iPhone rockstar. iPhone Bootcamp, New York.
We're actually outside a bar here in Covent Garden called Navajojo's because Alex is also a tequila expert. Now just give us a quick insight into what you do.
I am the iPhone Bootcamp, do iPhone training, and we do training all over the United States and now internationally. We did our first London training this weekend. Very successful, a lot of good students, lots of fun.
Next generation iPhone.
Well, clearly it's going to be practically invisible and powered by plutonium, but no, seriously, we'll have some really nice autofocus stuff in the camera, really nice multimedia stuff that can be video or or photographs. Built-in compass to really make the navigation stuff work much better. Longer battery life, better, faster applications, and all kinds of new features in there for making one's life easier and making the developers' lives easier too.
Okay, and what about cut and paste?
You can cut and paste anything: text, images, pictures, bits of HTML, and from any application to any application. It's going to be very cool.
Show us some of your favorite apps.
Of course, it wouldn't be iPhone without one's Facebook application.
We know about that. Show us the ones that nobody knows about but are really, really cool.
Really cool greeting cards application called iGreet, just coming out next week.
What does it do? How does it work?
Send greeting cards to people from your iPhone. It's a cool new thing like the Apple iCards thing. You wouldn't want to be without... what else have we got that's really fabulous? I love Ocarina, definitely. Night camera is a fabulous application.
Oh, night camera.
Good for taking pictures at night. Uses the image stabilization from the accelerometer to take nice pictures. What's Fresh, very nice about what's the right local fresh vegetables to be buying. Zenbound, really nice, wonderful, relaxing application. You wrap up wooden sculptures in rope with beautiful ambient music in the background. Hop Stop, now in London, amazing. Find your way from Covent Gardens to Piccadilly Circus without getting lost in the subway, the underground. Yes, that would be good. Current location to the middle of San Francisco. I think we'll be doing that.
About to flight.
Black book guides around the world. It's very useful to find out what good restaurants are in whatever city you happen to be in.
You should build an app for tequila, I think.
Absolutely. We do awfully well with cocktails, which is an absolutely beautiful application for managing drink recipes.
Okay, and are we going to be seeing two cameras on the new iPhone, one on the front, one on the back?
I'm certainly hoping so. I think they'll come up with a unique thing that will let us use the same camera pointing forward or pointing backwards with a little prism.
The culture of the iPhone, how does it differentiate between different cities and places?
Different parts of the world seem to be focusing on different application arenas. San Francisco is more interested in social networking and games applications, whereas New York seems to be focusing on more corporate and enterprise applications and media applications. I think London is going to be a very creative environment here. We've had a lot of people who are in the creative industry in our classes here, and I think it's going to be focused on profitable, enterprise-oriented creative applications. I look forward to seeing what the rest of the world will bring to us. It's very exciting to see the iPhone fever sort of roll across the world.
Yeah, good. And what about Google's Android? Is it going to take over?
Well, the new second generation Android phone is just coming out. I think the Android is going to be a very interesting alternative player, but I think it's going to be somewhat on the side, sort of like Linux to the Mac and the Windows worlds. And
just explain how you think that iPhone are going to bring out a series of iPhones like they did with the iPod.
I think they're going to mutate this all over the place. You're going to get little tiny iPhones, you're going to get really basic iPhones, you're going to get great big iPhones that are actually media phones or not really phones at all. I think at some point you're just going to think of this as something that you take with you that's part of your computer. So you can make the same kind of communications when you're on the go as when you're on at home. It's got the same data, same functionality.
Trademark shirt.
We have iPhone Bootcamp.
Yay!
Yay! Hi!
iPhone Guru all the way from New York. You're in London. Woohoo!